Hi everyone, Yan here, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make a rainbow bloom swipe, I guess. I'm going to use the Australian Floetrol from my cell activator, and as you see I have all the rainbow colors here. Going to use a black background. I've painted my edges just to be sure that they get covered with the black. It should happen when I spin it, because I am going to spin the canvas after I've swiped. So yeah, let's try to see how we can do this. This is a 40 by 40 centimeter canvas, and for that you need approximately 300 milliliters of paint. I have 300 milliliters of black Amsterdam oxide black here, and yeah, we're just gonna put that on here. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to try to make it, yeah, the line in the middle, and then swipe that way and that way, and then when I spin it, it should spread evenly that way and that way. So let's try. For some of these paints I have used some iridescent. For instance, that pink is Artezy's Pearl Pink, I think it's called. Some of them are just regular paints, so there's not iridescent in all of them, but there is in the red, in the one of the greens, one of the blues, and one of the purples. This green is a metallic, I don't remember the name of the color right now, but I'll put it in the description. But it's delicious. Okay, and this blue is also metallic. It's turquoise actually, but I'm gonna put it in here. It's closer to green, but oh well. Now this purple, it's a deep violet. For me, it always ends up black. So I've added some white in it. It's a little lighter than I would like it, but from experience, it dries up really dark. So I'm hoping that I hit the right mix with the white that I put in it. And this is another iridescent or metallic violet. And I have decided that I'm also gonna do I finally got the deco Americana 24 karat gold. So this is my first time I try it, and I've heard that it takes over. So I'm trying not to put too much in it, but it's hard not to. I love gold in the paintings, but yeah, we'll try not to make it too overpowering. And here I go, put on 3 lines. Yeah, well, whatever. Hopefully it'll come out nice. Now for the swipe. So I have the Australian Floetrol mixed 3:1 Amsterdam oxide black, 1 part, and 3 parts Australian Floetrol, and that's it. And then you just put it on the back of this palette knife, like so. And then you swipe. I think I like what I'm seeing. Now to the other far side. I'll try to do it from this angle. I don't know, I think I'm gonna turn it because it just seems, I don't know, a little weird to do it from the other side, so I'll do it from here. So here we go. I think that one needs a little more, although I really love the gold. But yeah, it's not red enough. Yeah, I need some more red here. The pink is too overpowering. I think I'll leave it at this. I would like to actually do something here. I don't know. Should probably leave it, but no, I'm gonna give it another swipe. The orange. Yeah, much better.